America's national parks cover millions of acres of wilderness. Explore their hidden secrets and experience what others often miss with National Geographic's Secrets of the National Parks. Our insider tips from park rangers and local guides will help you uncover sights seldom seen while leaving the crowds behind. Rangers say there's an easy way to skip the crowds at the Grand Canyon. Visit the North Rim, where you'll distance yourself from 90% of the visitors to the park. In the Everglades, local guides recommend a tunnel tour through the mangroves for the best close-up look at alligators, otters, and turtles. Here's a secret for early risers. Check out Yellowstone's Upper Geyser Basin at dawn, when the rest of the visitors are still asleep. There's never been a better time to visit Glacier National Park. Experts predict that in the next decade, these glaciers could disappear forever. For more hints that most park visitors don't know, pick up National Geographic's Secrets of the National Parks. Available wherever books are sold.